So let's learn Python numbers. So basically Python number consists of int, float and complex. So let's see an example for each. We already have seen it in the previous video, but let's keep this separate. That's Python number. So here I have defined three variables. One is age, one is height and one is complex underscore, right? So age is equals to 25. 25 here is an integer and that I have been assigned to the variable called age. So if I want to see print age, then I would say print age, it is 25. If I want to know the type of it, then I would just say type, just to cross verify the data type, right? So you can see it belongs to the class int, okay? And height, if I just go for here height, it will say class float. If I go for this, it should say class complex, right? Float is nothing but basically a decimal number, right? So here you can see 170.5. You can have any precision to any number towards this side, but yeah, this is what integer is, this is how the float looks, and this is how a complex number looks. Complex number is basically has two parts, one is the real and the imaginary. Let's say if you want to access real or imaginary, from this I would just do it as complex dot real, and this way I could get the real part, that is 2, and if I just want to get imaginary part, I would do just imag, and I got 3. You can see here, right? So this is the numbers in Python. Basically it has int, float and complex. We will be doing arithmetic and logical operations on these things, and we will see those in the upcoming videos. Hope you understood how we use the type function. Basically we use type and then pass the variable. Just another final example is type and then say age. So you can see it's int. I can just quickly print this again, right? Class int. Hope you understood Python numbers. Drop your questions and recommendations in comment section and make sure you hit subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.